Thanks for watching this short video. It focuses on a way to collaborate with your clients called transaction messaging. At the level of the transaction, you'll see this $4,000 bill down below where I can choose a recipient. And I can say, well, $4,000 for office supplies. Did you happen to buy any equipment? Right? Logical. And then I can go ahead and post it. And then it starts like this message log at the bottom of the transaction. Now pretend I'm the client, right? I'm Clayton, and it's not an instant message. They would see it when they log back in, right? See? So now that I've refreshed the window, pretend I'm logging back in as Clay, and you see this 1 in the upper right, little message icon. So you can click on it and he can see the question, and I can even drill down to it and I can see that it was regarding a bill. Probably have an idea about this one because I know I wrote a large one, and then it's from the accountant I know. So it'll bring me right to the transaction. I scroll down and I can see their question and just respond to it. So I choose the accountant. Sorry, they're both Clay. I know that's confusing, but you get the idea. A little bit of differentiation. But I did. Part of that was a laptop, I think, 2500. So when I post that, now you also get an email. Each user is going to get a respective email. So there's my email, and this is just an alert that I can go ahead and sign into QBO and find out what the actual message was. So both of you receive email alerts regarding the transaction messaging. But in my case, we're just going to pretend that time has passed throughout the day or week as the accountant and the client are logging in and out of QBO. So when I hit refresh here, you'll see it below. If I actually go back to the home screen, there's a 1 here. And I can see, even though I'm in as the accountant, I would be able to see the transaction. Or I can go to the click search. It's the quickest way to get to like the last transaction you were on. Scroll down, and now I can see that it's part of a laptop. Okay. And then so now I can have 1,500 for office supplies, and then I can do 2,500 for a fixed asset account or hardware or whatever you want to call it. But now it's going to the appropriate asset account, and now it should be correct from a tax standpoint. And as I made the change, I can update Clay that, thanks, I updated to the appropriate category or account. Good to go. And it just beats having to send an email with a list of transactions that I'm not sure about. I can just do it per transaction, just send a message to my client, and we can collaborate or communicate at the transaction level. Thank you.